Rahsaan, we're here talking about our Client Zero story. We call our own AI transformation program AIQ. So can you help us understand AIQ and a little bit about why we chose that name?
When we started the program, we were really focused on AI and how to really increase the understanding for our people. It's AI with a capital I and Q to delineate that there's two concepts, but the thing that brings them together is the I, because we want our people to see themselves and that this is about them because it's truly a human transformation. As the AIQ transformation leader, really what I aim to do is to keep our people at the center of this transformation of our business. Every aspect, how we deliver, what we deliver, and the way we run our business, all centered around enabling a new and unique experience for our clients and for our people.
For us, AIQ has really been a call to action with urgency to change not just how we're doing it, not just stand back and admire the technology. There is a lot to admire, but unless you really dive in there, put your hands on the keyboard and start working on things yourself and understand what the possibilities are, you really don't understand it as well as you can. And so for us, for KPMG, I think the AIQ program has been a true corporate call to action.
What's key is we are trying out new things, new approaches, new strategies on ourselves so that we can prove that out, so we can demonstrate to our clients that it has worked.
Thinking of ourselves as Client Zero, we've definitely done that within the marketing organization. For example, our AI quad, we have our Lake House facility, which is just outside of Orlando and where our people go to learn and convene. And we wanted AI to be a core part of that experience. So we took a very visible spot right when you walk into Lake House and we made it our AI quad, where people go to understand the technology that we have. And that AI quad has really become a manifestation of what we want everyone to do and to know about our AI program.
Absolutely. It's an example of us as Client Zero. That's how we're approaching this moment, learning on ourselves and taking those learnings and then helping clients leapfrog their competition.
We have been Client Zero with Google with their Gemini product and really been pushing the envelope with them. Can you tell us a little bit about our enterprise Google Gemini story and the rollout? And I know we had amazing adoption within a really short period of time. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, our partnership with Google has been phenomenal. It has allowed us to achieve 94+% adoption within 30 days.
Wow.
Unheard of. And it wasn't just, yes, everyone clicked it one time. It's that we see persistent use that has catapulted efficiency, but in addition to efficiency, quality. And that is where the value is. These new ways of working, some small tweaks, some big steps, are really what has surprised me the most. Knowledge is now more widely available at scale. And not only knowledge, but broad knowledge. And so that has allowed AI to go from being a productivity enhancer to a thought partner. A capability that allows you to challenge your thinking, expanding your aperture, elevating the impact that you can make. Because I thought it was all about the technology.
Right.
And while it's important, that's not where the value actually comes to life.
As we wrap up talking about our Client Zero AIQ story, and we want to leave our listeners and watchers with a final piece of advice from how they move from ambition to action, what would that final piece of advice be?
The leaders are breaking away from the pack. In this moment, if you are not with intention, pushing through pilot, pushing through internal barriers, really leaning into the future of work, you're falling behind materially. So if you haven't started, get help and get going. If you have started, do not rest in pilot land. Look to the leaders in your industry and go.
Every organization needs their own AIQ and their own call to action to really take ambition to the next level. Rahsaan, it's been so great to talk to you. Thank you for sharing your insights with me today.
Thank you so much. It has been a pleasure spending time with you today.